All right, y'all, it's some sneakers that we just have to pay respect to, and I have to educate you guys, because some of you guys that watch the channel, y'all might be a little bit younger, and y'all don't know the basketball history.
Nope.
Tomorrow, Sunday, March the 9th, we have this sneaker right here dropping. If you guys don't know what this is the Nike Air Max Uptempo 95 Mystic Teal. And this thing brings back memories, nostalgic memories for your boy. I gotta talk about it. Let's go.
I was spared like the very last pair when you walk into the mall and you think they ain't there. So you say a little prayer. You don't wanna be so vain, but if I get it.
Hey, what's poppin', everybody? Welcome to the channel. It is your boy Truth. If this is your first time tapping in, welcome. I hope you guys enjoy the content, man. If you are a reoccurring subscriber, welcome back, boy. I appreciate you guys. It is officially a Saturday, so we did have another joint release. And normally I'm out and about in the malls. I apologize, but today I had prior engagements. Wasn't able to get out into the malls, but we did have this sneaker drop right here. This is going to be the Air Jordan 4 Abundance, or Seafoam joints. These were lady exclusive and they are sitting around everywhere. So if you are interested in them, retail was $215. You're more than welcome to pick them up. But regardless of the fact, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for your boy. I would greatly appreciate it. Today, we're going to be talking about a sneaker that's going to be dropping tomorrow, March the 9th, on a Sunday, retail for $165, and it's going to be the Nike Air Max Uptempo 95 Mystic Teal. For those that don't know what this sneaker is, it's kind of like, let me put it in perspective. For all you newbies that's watching the channel, okay, we've had a couple of OG basketball sneakers. Sneakers that you guys would consider old people sneakers, you know, because I'm in my 40s or something like that. But whenever they drop, if y'all don't know, these things skyrocket in price and they're hard to get. For example, let me show y'all a couple. And also let me say this, these sneakers help pave the way for the sneaker game, especially hooping sneakers. For instance, the Nike Air Penny 1. When this sneaker dropped, a lot of people did not know who Penny Hardaway was, and y'all went ham for it. The sneaker skyrocketed, and y'all paid respect to this shoe. The Nike Air Diamond Turfs, the Deion Sanders that dropped this year, the Falcon version. We didn't even know which team he played for when these shoes dropped. Y'all went crazy for it. Another OG nostalgic sneaker. The Air Max 2 CB Charles Barkley 94. That will be releasing again this year. Another nostalgic sneaker that when this sneaker dropped, this retroed again like 4 years ago, you guys went crazy for it. And then last but not least, the Air Max Ken Griffey 1 freshwater joints. You guys went bananas. This was a $700 sneaker, all because of the throwback nostalgia purposes. Now this sneaker that's dropping tomorrow, as you guys can see on the screen, is gonna have the same effect. Do not sleep on this sneaker. $165. This sneaker was worn by a lot of players in 1995, starting with people like Tim Duncan, as you guys can see on the screen, Kevin Garnett, and of course, my GOAT, Kobe Bean Bryant, man. This sneaker is a great performance sneaker on the court, and it looks super good off the court. Of course, you have the Air Max technology in it. The upper is leather. The sizing is true to size or half a size up. There's a lot of cushioning in it. It is not a heavy sneaker, even though it looks bulky. But man, just look at this sneaker. It is just overall dope with the vintage Uptempo logo on the back end of it, the air unit going all the way around it. I'm telling you guys, if you are a 80s baby or 90s baby, this sneaker is for us, and it will be dropping tomorrow, so do not sleep. So this sneaker will be releasing online and in stores at a lot of your local retailers, JD Sports, DTLR, Finish Line, Champs, Foot Locker, Snipes. All these places will have it, and I do think it will sell out. I haven't seen an official release date on the sneakers app, but I'm pretty sure later on down the line we'll get that. But y'all comment down below and let me know, what are your thoughts about this sneaker? I know a lot of you young people are going to be like, man, this sneaker's ugly. All of my old heads that remember this sneaker circling in the East Bay magazine, waiting to cop it, comment down below and hit that like button and let me know how y'all feel about the Nike Air Max Uptempo 95 Mystic Teals retroing again in 2025. I appreciate you guys tapping in as always. Y'all already know the saying, man, rock what you like, not what's hype. Remember, everything we talk about, including this sneaker, just bait. Wait for me to share my faith. I'm going to catch y'all in the next video. Peace.
If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get 'em. We got fat, we got two, never slack.